In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default board labels in Monday.com. So if you're ready to personalize your workspace and give it a touch that reflects your style or team structure, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Monday.com, so open your favorite web browser and visit the site. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button conveniently positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, Monday.com offers a couple of ways to sign in, ensuring you only have to spend a few moments doing so. You can either sign in with your Google account, which is a great option if you want to streamline your access across platforms. Alternatively, you can choose to manually type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose the Google option, make sure to select the correct email address to proceed smoothly. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile picture, a small but powerful gateway to various settings. Click on your profile picture and a drop-down menu should appear. From this list of options, select Administration. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to tweak and tailor your Monday.com experience. In the administration area, you'll want to navigate to the Customization tab. It's here that the real magic starts to happen. As you click into Customization, you'll see several options on the top of the page. For our purpose today, select Boards. This option will allow you to dive into the specifics of how your boards appear and function. Once you're in the boards customization area, you have the opportunity to make various changes to the default status labels. You can rename the statuses to better fit your workflow, change their colors for better visual recognition, or even reorder them to prioritize what's important to your tasks. After you've made your desired customization changes, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save Changes button, which is usually towards the bottom of the page. Click it once you're satisfied with the changes you've made. This ensures that all your adjustments are locked in and ready for use. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've made Monday.com a little more personalized for your needs. These tweaks can help streamline communication within your team and bring more visual clarity to your workflow. Thanks for following along, and happy planning on Monday.com.